What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be showing you guys a brand new product, and if you guys have a quarter intake or a passenger side mounted onboard air setup, this is going to be the video for you, so stay tuned. So the product we're going to be showing you guys is under the hood, so let's go ahead and get the hood popped. And while we have this open, as you guys saw, the light that turned on there is the footwell light. So if you guys haven't seen that video yet, I will put it in the top corner so you guys can check it out after this video. So I'm going to pop the hood. If you guys have seen our hood strut video before, this is going to be very similar. So we have an install video for a standard hood strut already, but this one, notice how there's no hood struts over here. So we only have a single hood strut lifting the hood. And you guys know, if you guys have a 3rd gen Tacoma, this hood is heavy. So you guys see here, we had the standard 2 strut kit in here before, but now we have this single hood strut. It's a little bit different than the one that was in here just because the other one needed both to support the hood. This one is a little bit stronger and it's just a little bit different. And it works just by itself. So what we have here is our power tray setup, and if you guys have this or if you guys don't, there's going to be 2 different ways you could do this. If you guys do not have this, you guys won't need this right here. This here is the power tray spacer kit. So that black little spacer and then a new bolt is going to come to provide a little bit of space between the fender wall and the actual power tray. So that is what you'll need if you guys have a power tray. If you guys don't have it, disregard that. You guys won't need it. You guys will just need the single strut to lift the hood. So as you guys can see here, there is barely any clearance to clear that, which is perfect, but it doesn't contact. And the reason why you guys would want a single versus a dual or standard is because of this. If you guys have a quarter intake like the engine, like the one that's shown here, or the AFE, or pretty much any quarter intake, just see the amount of clearance you guys have from the wall to the actual quarter intake. So being that there is barely any room here, you guys will not have space to clear this for the standard hood struts. So which is why Spiker Engineering came out with this single hood strut. But if you guys don't have a quarter intake and you guys have an ARB twin compressor set up here, same thing. You guys will not have enough clearance there to run the standard 2 hood strut kit. So this is going to be the perfect solution for those of you guys who have a quarter intake or the ARB Twin or a dual battery over there in the back passenger corner. So installing these is going to be super easy. I'm going to link it on the top corner somewhere. You guys can click it and go see the standard installation for the 2. But this installation is going to be the same. You just do it to one side versus doing it to both sides. Like I said, it's super easy. There's 0 measurements like there are other kits on the market. You basically find the notches that are on the truck and just set it there and then put it in place. The only hard part is going to be the rivets. The rivet, you will need a rivet gun, so if you guys don't have one, they're pretty cheap. You can get them for, I think the cheapest I've seen is like 10 bucks. And it's a good tool to have. You can pretty much mount anything with rivets. So it's a good tool to have if you guys can keep it. You can buy a nice one if you guys want to. But like I said, they're fairly cheap. Okay guys, that is gonna be it for this video. We will have the single hood strut kit and the spacer kit for the power tray down in the description, so if you guys are interested in that, you guys can find it below. But that's gonna be it. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel already, make sure you guys are subscribed. Turn on the bell notification, that way you guys get notified every time we post a new video, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.